It's time to light up your dinner table. This is our Flammkuchen recipe. Let's start by making our dough. Dissolve your yeast in with your warm water, stir, and leave to activate. In a bowl, add the flour, salt, sugar, oil, and yeast mix. If you're mixing by hand, knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes. If you're using a stand mixer, mix on low speed until a smooth dough forms. When you're done kneading, mix the dough into a ball, then cover it and leave it to rise for 30 minutes. For our toppings, start by frying the lardons in a saucepan, cooking them slowly over medium heat until most of the fat is rendered out. Stay vigilant here, as you don't want them to get crispy. Remove and set aside your lardons, but keep the rendered fat in a pan to cook the onions. Sauté those on a medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once they're cooked, set them aside to cool. Next up, mix the crème fraîche and nutmeg together in a bowl and add a pinch of salt and ground pepper. Now it's time to fire up your pizza oven. Aim for around 300 degrees Celsius or 570 degrees Fahrenheit on the pizza stone inside. You want a slightly lower temperature than usual for this cook, since this hardens the dough for that signature flaky Flammkuchen base. Take your now risen dough and transfer it to a lightly floured work surface, then roll it out into a thin oval. Top the base with 2 or 3 heaped tablespoons of that crème fraîche mixture, making sure to spread it out evenly. Then add the cooked onions, lardons, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. If you want some greens, you can also add some scallions, leeks, or chives at this point. Transfer the pizza to a lightly floured peel, then launch it into your oven. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, making sure to turn the Flammkuchen regularly every 20 seconds or so. Once those edges are crispy and golden brown, remove the Flammkuchen from the oven. Slice and serve right away, and enjoy that unbeatable, satisfying crunch.